Hey everyone, Cyclone here from Psyche Prods, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And what I'm going to do now is a little bit of a how-to video. I am going to help show you guys how to properly season a wood cutting board the right way. I've decided to go with an acacia wood, which is an Australian wood, for a couple of reasons. And actually, I'm going to leave what I bought down in the description box. This is a two-piece, and obviously you can only see that there's one. The other one is being used. But I actually bought two of these, so I have 4 cutting boards. I have OCD, so I use one for meat, one for poultry, one for seafood, and one for any fruits and vegetables. But I went with these from Figment because, quite frankly, acacia wood is really solid. By the way, this is a 12 by 15 and 13 by 10 2-pack. Number one, acacia wood doesn't warp, which is good. Doesn't split. It's actually harder than oak and maple. It's antibacterial. It's easy on knives and oils. Inside, make it water resistant compared to something like bamboo, which is water absorption. I mean, you know, bamboo absorbs water, so yeah, that's why I went with the acacia wood. You only need to maintain this by doing this once a month, which is really good. And let me just gather what I bought to season it. Now, you could use ones that use oils, but the oils aren't really good. So I went with the company Daddy Vans. Yeah, you should be able to see it. Daddy Vans. All natural beeswax. It is a company based in North Carolina. Go Tar Heels. And it's a woman-owned company, so you always got to support our lady friends. It's super clean, chemical-free, non-toxic, certified bio-based products. It's fairly priced, and it's food safe. Now, look, there are some that are food grade, but food grade doesn't necessarily mean it's food safe. Food safe means automatically it is food grade. So that's what you want to look for. You want to look for something that is food grade and non-toxic, like I said, chemical free. Let's open this up. I don't know why it's sticking. You know, it didn't stick during rehearsals. Let's get a knife to pry this open. And there we go. Nice and simple. Here's what it looks like. And a little bit goes a long way with this. So all you have to do is take a rag, get some on it, get some on it, get some on it, I like to soak it into the rag. Okay. Then all you have to do is go in circles to get it on. Now look, a little bit of this goes a really long way. So you don't need a terrible amount. Let me just, as of course I said that I didn't have enough on there. So let's go back in. Gather some more. There we go. That should be enough right there. There we go. That was right. And even though this cutting board is reversible, you could use the backside. It's not something I would do, only because the juice grooves are on this side, which, by the way, you also have to get some beeswax in. Get that nice and greased up. Get it all in there. Boom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit for a while just to absorb it. And we will be back in a bit. Okay, so magic of some light editing work. It's 30 minutes later. It has been sitting. And what I'm going to do right now is take just a regular old paper towel, lightly wipe off any excess, and you could really see the green really starting to pop. Put that down there for a minute. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a second coat of the Daddy Vans beeswax to this. There we go. Let me pick this up so maybe you guys can see it a little bit better. And like I said, this is something you only have to do once a month on this wood. And remember, get in the juice groove, folks. That is very, very important. And second coat now on. And we will be back in a bit. Okay, we're back. Magical, nice, sharp work done. And another paper towel. Lightly go over any excess. And boom. That's it. Now look, you could do a third or even a fourth coat. I just don't feel that that's necessary. I think 2 coats is more than enough. Especially for usage that I'm using these for. And the amount of time I'm going to be using these. So, there you go. The green is popping. There you go. Beautiful green in this acacia wood. And you're ready. Ready to start cutting on this bad boy. So, like I said, I'm going to leave everything in the description box. The cutting boards that I bought. And remember, I bought 2 of them. You could only buy 1. I'm sure you don't have OCD like me. And the Daddy Vans. Now, this one, by the way, is the unscented countertop care, which is obviously what you can use because it touches food. The cutting board. Let me just wipe off my hands a little bit. There you go. Daddy Vans, a company that I think you guys should go out and use this stuff because they're really clean. So, that's it. Nice, simple job. I only do 2 coats. You could do more if you want. Everything's in the description box. Guys, please, like this video, share it out, subscribe to the channel, and I guess that's it for now. So until the next video, I am Cyclone saying, peace out, homies.